Hello my friends, I'm going to show you how to make candied nuts for the holidays, and I have all the great ingredients right here in front of me. And first of all, what you're going to need is 1 egg white. So we're going to put this egg white in here. The egg white is to make the sugar stick to the nuts. Some vanilla, we're going to put that into the egg white. So we need a teaspoon of vanilla. To do this, we're going to add our nuts, and I'm using about 8 cups, and I'm putting in leftover mixed nuts with this just to get rid of them, and why not some cashews. Okay, all the nuts are coated, they all feel wet. Take a half cup of sugar, brown sugar. And since it's the holiday, we're going to add some pumpkin pie, a teaspoon. This is half a tablespoon, but a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, and then kick it up a little bit with some cayenne pepper. We don't want to overdo it, so we're going to add a half of a teaspoon of cayenne. We want to mix this. Add this to our nuts. And now set our timer for 25 minutes. Check them. Just out of the oven. It was in there 25 minutes, and I let it cool. It has that little bit of a holiday taste to it. And the cayenne, barely a little hint of it, probably could add a little bit more, depending on the amount of heat that you like. They're completely dried, not sticking together. Save those plastic containers to store them in, so it'll be ready for the holiday. I find that it's a lot easier to eat a lot of nuts, having this sweetness to them. Thanks for watching, my friends. Bye-bye.